Hey everyone, Phoenix One here. Today I'm gonna show you the Victorinox Mechanic. I did a short recently where I showed it and somebody wanted a closer look. So here we go. The Mechanic's got the can opener screwdriver combination, the bottle opener screwdriver, and a metal bender stripper combination. And it's got these nice pliers and the main blade. It's got a Phillips screwdriver in the back and the punch. It's also got the toothpick and the tweezers. And I carry this hanger clip with this lanyard I made. Well, thanks everyone for watching.